This week I feel a little bit like a clown. I'm juggling so many things. It's expected, but it's a lot this week. So if you stick around, you'll see all the things we're juggling and you'll see all the progress that we got done, which I'm pretty excited about. Hey bro, I thought you were gonna show people how to do stuff on this channel. Isn't that what you're supposed to be doing? I failed. I got psyched out, but I used a sprayer for the first time and I got a little touch up, but I think it looks all right. I'll show you what it looks like when we get it all painted because we need to start moving food in this house because we got tables upon tables upon tables and tables of tables. So just making progress. We also have one piece of flooring left in the room to call it done. And I'm hoping that I mess up on a piece in the next room and I can use it so I don't have to waste a whole board. In the Grand's room, the ceiling and the walls are all painted, so we're getting ready to lay plastic so that I can start laying the flooring. This will be the last floor that I lay until we get our baseboards in. I did learn something this week. Did you know that they have a bulk discount at Lowe's? If you spend more than $2,000, which we had way more than $2,000 worth of stuff to buy, and you buy it all at once, like you get crazy bulk discounts. I mean like 18 to 20%. So I don't think you have to have a pro account. Maybe you do, but I will tell you, we did that today for the first time and I'm pretty sad that we're about 5 of those purchases of that dollar amount into it and we just now learned about it. But we got it this time and so we got some more materials on the way. Somewhere over the rainbow, she's too tight, Captain. We're done for the night. That's really the hard part. We'll start laying tomorrow and we will zoom on this thing. Once we get the first couple rows done, get all this locked in because it's still kind of shifty and moving around. Bam, 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 4 rows. First challenge, we'll go up another 2 rows, last challenge, then the rest is just zoom. An absolute crazy work week is going on. We have this gorgeous woman doing manual labor again. And we've got one more coat around here to get it covered up, and it looks like she just told me that we're gonna need another coat because green is dark compared to beige. Since we have a new coat of paint in the laundry room, this is the final coat. We will be able to start putting shelves and everything and use it as actual storage. All right, let me hear in the comments. I don't know how I feel about it. I love the green. I don't know about the ground neutral. Actually, I like the ground neutral, the beige. I like the green, but here's the real question. When you look through now, you have the aloe over here. You've got the green in the back with the, I just don't know. I think the greens collide a little bit. What do you think? And she's gonna paint this wall this week as well. That's going aloe. I think it's gonna be interesting. We're gonna have to see how it looks. My phone was almost dead. This is becoming a problem. I need to get a camera to make my videos. If you know of a type of camera or use a camera to make videos, let me know. I'd like to find some references for a good camera. Finishing touches, I had some white powder stuff that I had to put on with a knife. work to do right there. And so AJ just got done priming it, painting it. First coat because we know it's going to soak it up. And then this wall is the last wall that we have to paint neutral. We've had a little bit of a crazy week. I don't know if I mentioned on the last episode, but we had a 8 to 12 inch tree limb, not a small one, fall on our enclosed trailer. And we were going to use that to go pick the cabinets up. And now we found out today it's totaled. So we're not going to use that to go pick the cabinets up. And it's one less asset that we have to use to move, which would have been nice. An enclosed car trailer, 26 foot. They come in handy when moving. I also have to make the trip to Oklahoma City. I was going to go today, but it was too late. I need to drive down there the night before and then pick them up the next day. So next episode, I'm going to be on an adventure to Oklahoma City to pick our cabinets up. All right. Let's get her done.
All right, we just got done with the flooring. Now we're going to transition into the final coat in the pantry. All right, so what's the rules?
The threshold rule, that is, the lighter color wins, so you would do all your thresholds with the lightest color of all your rooms.
Okay.
And then there's a theory that says from the main room to the ancillary room. So like we're in the kitchen is the main room, the ancillary room would be the pantry, so you would paint it the color of the kitchen.
What do you want to do?
I want to do the lighter color.
Perfect. I love that answer. Mainly because that's what I'm doing. I actually think the lighter color is probably the right choice in this example. Mm-hmm. And let me tell you why. Because I'm right. I'm just kidding. Because of the different color green over there.
Yeah.
Now there's a little bit of separation between the two colors.
Yeah.
If you put it in between the doorway, if you put the aloe in between the doorway, there's no fucking separation. It's fucking right up on your jump. It's right up on your jump. You make good choices, babe.
Thank Thank you. Hopefully you like the choice I made for you for lunch.
What choice did you make for me?
I went to Tomei and got you a avocado bacon chicken wrap.
Over by Lowe's?
Yep.
Good God.
They have a 20% military discount.
You believe in taking breaks, don't you?
No, I believe in eating well.
Yeah, that's taking a break.
I will take your shit back.
I'm not upset by it. I've never traveled that far during lunch.
Well, you're a workaholic.
Let me argue that. Hold on. I don't think about it during lunch.
So I can tell everybody in the viewing place that you're a workaholic.
I'm not a workaholic. Your shit to get done, freaking get it done.
Yeah, what he said.
Not necessarily a workaholic. I'm just a get her fucking doneer. This room's all done. What do you think?
Whoever did the ceilings did a shitty job.
Well, we're not getting that contractor to come back. Waiting on this to drain is like waiting on our kids to freaking take the trash out. It's gonna get done one week. Definitely won't get done every week.
Kids will be kids.
Till you beat them.
No beating the children.
Don't touch that door frame.
It's my ass. Did I get it?
Oh, hold on, let me see. Bring it here. Let's get back to this. All the flooring's in for all the rooms. This is baseboard prep really now. Because while the floor is actually laid, I have to seal the outside per the instructions to make it legitimately waterproof. Also, we put the paper barrier down, and the same thing's gonna happen if we don't seal the edges to some degree. That happened before. So we have to seal the outside perimeter, and we're gonna use a very expensive product, but it sticks to anything. It's a good sealant. It's better than caulk. So the outside wall will get a healthy dosing of that. And then the interior walls will get a slightly cheaper product, still does the same thing. The reason we're using the really expensive product is because they didn't put any type of insulation or foam between the concrete and the seal plate or the base plate. So we are going to get in the corner of that. Very, very good to stop air, insects and things like that from coming in between the base plate and the concrete foundation because it's so low to the ground. So after I trim back the sides of the flooring that are too close to the wall, put my Lexel or my other caulk in there, make it quote unquote waterproof, we'll be ready for baseboard. That's the last thing we need, and then Tuesday the contractors are gonna come in and start laying baseboard. The other thing we have, Mama, she's moving stuff in. So we have the future third world dictator, her room, all done. Even the piece over in the corner, had a scrap from the Grand's room. And as you can see, the wife wasted no time. We are moving stuff in, leaving room for the folks for the baseboard to do what they need to do. Got some serious moving going on. The computer room here is the primary room that we have to work on next week. I still have a lot of work to do in here before we start laying flooring, but we got it all cleaned up because the wife is gonna paint the ceiling while I'm gone, and she's gonna paint that wall, give it a coat. So it's all cleaned up, ready for her to go. But look at this beautiful thing. It's pretty. It's super pretty. So we got a lot of food stuff moved over, and it's hard to see, but that's the countertop. Mama's got some more stuff moved in, and another set of shelves. If you haven't noticed, we are absolutely used to going into places where we don't know if our stuff's gonna fit. So we have lots of shelves, lots of storage, and anything to make it easy for us in the long run to get set up. That's been our whole career. Just get set up and get ready to go to work. So we kind of were prepared for this. And the Future Thurible Dictator had her first solo, her first play where she was the lead. And, you know, that took a night. And that was really nice. It was pretty cool. She did a great job. Thanks for coming on this journey with us this week. We really appreciate it. I'd like to hear what project you think looks the best or what's good so far. What is it that stands out? Do you like the flooring? Is the pantry? I think the pantry looks pretty dang good. I still don't know about this wall color, but we're not going to talk about it. So let us know. I'd love to hear in the comments. Speaking of that, if you would like to support us, the freest and best way to do that is like, comment, subscribe. Last time I looked, 25% of the people that watch this are subscribed. And so that means 75% of you don't know what to think of us yet or don't think enough of us to follow. So hopefully you change your mind and we can get that follow. But appreciate you watching either way. And as always, I'm going to ask you to do me a favor. If someone hasn't already asked you this week, do me a favor. Make the day you deserve. I'm trying to be helpful, baby. That was a really nice get the fuck out of here.